that one vampire nigga that be on your For You page? That nigga actually make good music. Excuse me, sir, do you have a song recommendation? I do actually. Listen to this song. Then he just jumps in the air and just turns to a fucking bat and flies away. That nigga got good music. And we gonna eat this taco above this taco. We don't waste no protein. So boom, everything drips on this taco. How many bites I think I'm gonna take? I almost brought to praise God. Praise God, yeah, I wish I named. I need to find a woman, man. I can cook, but it's better for me to come home and she's already there cooking. Two more tacos. I always clean my mess. I see people just leave their food for people to clean up for them. Where's y'all's manners? No consideration for nobody. I'm still eating like a pussy right now. Y'all don't even know. I bulked up to 220. Never again. I always been skinny. But I had to see myself how I looked when I was big. Last taco. This place is 24 hours. I'm not telling y'all where it is. This is my spot. Go in the bathroom and wash your hands with soap. I got a small case of OCD. I don't like that dirty shit. Touching shit with dirty, I got OCD. I hate disgusting people walking around with stain. Like, yeah.